Hello, hello, hello. Look at my little mini me's, right? This is Tessa, this is Maya, and I'm Toya with LT Student Credit Solutions. I wanted to say, guys, I've been missing in action. We just moved in our home. Yay! Finally, right? It took a while. I've been missing in action, but I'm back, baby, and I got some news for you. Yeah. All right? It sounds like Lotus and Blossom want to say hello too, but that'll be another video. Guys, welcome. If what we're sharing, you are loving it and it's helping you, like, subscribe, share, send it to a friend. We would really appreciate it. And the videos that we have, listen to it to the end. Come on, guys. It really helps our channel out, right, guys?
Yeah.
Let them know. Let them know. All right. So we're going to be talking about suing the bureaus. We're going to be talking about looking at your credit reports. We're going to be talking about how we're going to get these credit cards. What are we going to do with the credit cards? We're going to talk about Turo. We're going to talk about so many things, guys. Welcome. Welcome back. Thank you for not leaving me. And I'm back, baby. I'll talk to you soon.